Hey everyone, welcome to Sam Trading Strategies. If you want a super accurate and easy binary option strategy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a highly profitable 1-minute binary option strategy using a 3 simple moving average crossover technique. This method is simple yet powerful, perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. Before we start, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on all notifications so you never miss a new strategy. Risk warning. Trading binary options involves financial risk, and there's a chance of losing money. Past results don't guarantee future performance. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Do your own research before making any trading decisions. Let's start by applying the 3 simple moving averages on trading platform. The period of the first moving average will be 2. Set the type to simple, the color to white, and apply it. The period of the second moving average will be 5. Set the type to simple, the color to blue, and apply it. The period of the third moving average will be 50. Set the type to simple, the color to red, and apply it. Now, our trading setup is ready. Let's get to know the trading rules of this strategy. Here's the golden rule of this strategy. When the price is above the red SMA, look for buy opportunities. When the price is below the red SMA, look for sell opportunities. Now, let's break it down further. For a buy trade, the price must be above the red SMA. The white SMA should cross above the blue SMA and move upward. Take the buy trade immediately when this happens. For a sell trade, the price must be below the red SMA. The white SMA should cross below the blue SMA and move downward. Take the sell trade immediately when this happens. Always trade in the direction of the trend. Never go against it. Pay attention to support and resistance levels for better accuracy. Use a 1-minute candle time frame and set your expiry time to 3 minutes. Avoid trading during news releases to reduce unpredictable market volatility. Focus on the European and New York trading sessions for the best opportunities. Before using this strategy on a real account, test it on a demo account first. This will help you understand how it works and build confidence. Once you're comfortable, you can consider trading with real money. Check the video description for more details about this strategy. In this video, I'll show you live trades using this strategy in different market conditions. I'll explain why I'm entering each trade and how you can do the same. Don't skip ahead. Every detail in this video is crucial to mastering this strategy. Missing even a small part could impact your trading results. Let's jump into the live trades and see this strategy in action. As you can see on the chart, this is a perfect sell trade setup according to our trading rules. Let's break it down step by step. Price position. The price is clearly below the red SMA, which means the overall trend is bearish. The white SMA has crossed below the blue SMA, signaling a strong sell opportunity. The market is in a downtrend, which aligns perfectly with our strategy's rules. This is what we call a golden opportunity to take a sell trade. So I've entered a sell trade with a 3-minute expiry time. Now let's wait for the result together. While we wait, here's a quick tip. Always stay disciplined and follow the rules of the strategy. Avoid overtrading and stick to the best setups. This will improve your consistency over time. And there you have it. The trade is closed, and as you can see, the price moved in our favor, resulting in a winning trade. This is a great example of how this strategy can help you make consistent profits when applied correctly. Now, let's look at another live trade example, but this time it's a perfect buy setup according to our trading rules. Here's why. The price is clearly above the red SMA, which means the overall trend is bullish. The white SMA has crossed above the blue SMA, signaling a strong buy opportunity. The market is in an uptrend, which aligns perfectly with our strategy's rules. This is another golden opportunity to take a buy trade. So, I've entered a buy trade with a 3-minute expiry time. Let's wait for the result together and see how it plays out. Just like the sell setup, this buy setup works because it combines trend confirmation and momentum signals. The red SMA acts as a trend filter, ensuring we only trade in the direction of the overall trend. The crossover between the white SMA and blue SMA gives us a clear entry signal, confirming the momentum is in our favor. By following these rules, we're able to identify high-probability trades with a clear risk-reward ratio. And there you have it. The trade has closed, and as you can see, the price moved in our favor, resulting in another winning trade. That's 2 successful trades in a row, both following our perfect trade setups according to the trading rules. Now let's take a different approach. Instead of perfect setups, we'll take 2 trades that don't meet our trading rules. Understanding which setups to avoid is just as important as knowing when to enter a trade. This will help you make smarter decisions and avoid unnecessary losses. Now let's look at another example where most of the conditions for a sell trade are met, but there's one critical factor we need to consider. Here's the setup. The price is below the red SMA, which means the trend is bearish. The white SMA has crossed below the blue SMA, signaling a sell opportunity. But here's the problem. The price is currently at a key support level from which it has previously reversed. According to our trading rules, this is a risky setup because support levels can act as strong barriers, causing the price to bounce back up. Even though the crossover suggests a sell, the presence of support means we should avoid this trade. However, to demonstrate what can happen in such scenarios, I'll enter a sell trade here. And as you can see, the price reversed from the support level, moving against our trade and resulting in a loss. This is a perfect example of why it's crucial to consider support and resistance levels before entering any trade. Now let's look at a scenario where all the conditions for a sell trade are met. But there's one critical factor we need to consider. A major news event has just taken place. Here's the setup. The price is below the red SMA, which means the trend is bearish. The white SMA has crossed below the blue SMA, signaling a sell opportunity. But here's the problem. A major news event has just occurred, as evidenced by this big bullish candle with big rejection. According to our trading rules, we should avoid trading during news events because the market becomes highly volatile and unpredictable. Even though the crossover suggests a sell, the impact of the news can override the signal, making this a risky trade. However, to demonstrate what can happen in such scenarios, I'll enter a sell trade here. Let's wait for the result together. While we wait, here's a pro tip. Always check the economic calendar before trading. Major news releases, such as employment reports, interest rate decisions, and GDP data, can cause wild price swings that make trading riskier. And as you can see, the price spiked upward due to the news event, moving against our trade and resulting in a loss. This is a perfect example of why it's crucial to avoid trading during major news releases. Now, let's move to the next live trade. I'll show you how to find a high-probability trade setup in a stable market for better accuracy. According to our trading rules, this is a textbook buy-trade setup. The price is clearly above the red SMA, which means the overall trend is bullish. The white SMA has crossed above the blue SMA, signaling a strong buy opportunity. The market is in a clear uptrend, which aligns perfectly with our strategy's rules. This is what we call a golden opportunity to take a buy trade. So, I've entered a buy trade with a 3-minute expiry time. Now, let's wait patiently and see how this trade plays out. While we wait, here's a pro tip. Patience is a trader's superpower. A strong setup gives you confidence in your trade. Avoid second-guessing your decisions and let the market play out according to your strategy. As you can see, the trade closed in profit. We've covered a lot in this video, and I hope you've gained valuable insights from it. This strategy is simple yet powerful when applied correctly. Practice on a demo account before using real money. Go back and re-watch the explanation of the perfect setup to ensure you fully understand it. Always stick to the strategy and follow risk management rules. Don't let emotions control your trades. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more valuable strategies. Like this video to show your support and help others find it. Share this strategy with other traders. It could help them improve their trading too. Your support helps this channel grow, and I'll continue to bring you more profitable strategies, live trades, and market insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading.